Touchscreen interactivity for toddlers. Interactivity can either help or hinder learning of kids. Educational apps for kids can be valuable learning tools, but there is still a lot left to understand about how to design them. Touchscreens allow physical interaction, but it does not mean that it is always beneficial. Smartphones and tablets have become so common that most of the children have used a touchscreen by the age of 2. 80% of educational apps in the iTunes Store are designed for children, especially toddlers and preschoolers. But recent research has shown that sometimes all those chimes and animations hinder learning. This prompted the question, how well do we understand what it takes to make a truly beneficial learning app? Children interact with touch screens and the embedded media content in vastly different ways, and this impacts their ability to learn from the content. Children interact with touchscreen devices on a more basic level by stripping away fancy design features that vary from app to app and that are not always beneficial. Children as young as 2 could use the app to learn new words such as the fictional names of a variety of newly introduced toys designed specifically for the study. Unsurprisingly, slightly older children, of age 4 to 5, learn more than the younger ones, and they are also able to follow directions better, such as only tapping when instructed to do so. The researchers from Vanderbilt University showed that the excessive tapping by younger children seemed to go hand in hand with lower scores of a trait called self-regulation. Dr. Colleen Russo-Johnson is the lead author of the study from Vanderbilt University. Published in Frontiers in Psychology on April 12, 2017. In this study, self-regulation is commonly measured by seeing how long children can keep themselves from eating a cracker that is placed in front of them, after they have been told to wait until they hear a signal that it is okay to eat the cracker. The study included 77 children. Russo-Johnson and her colleagues designed a second app to see which interactions, tapping, dragging, or simply watching were better for learning new words. Boys appeared to benefit more from watching, whereas dragging seemed best for girls and children with the most touch-screen experience. These results complement the growing body of research on identifying effective interactive features, as well as providing insight into how apps might be tailored to fit the learning needs of different children. This research will inform academics and app developers alike. Educational app developers should be mindful of utilizing interactivity in meaningful ways that do not distract from the intended educational benefits, and, when possible, allow for customization so parents and educators can determine the best settings for their children. Thank you.